You know, the problem is that side's deep. And you got to stay on this side, but it's slimy. I had it. No, you're all right. I got it. Ugh. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That water's cold. I got my foot caught and I couldn't get any leverage. I gotta go up here and turn around and come back anyways. Oh, I gotta go back to the thing. I'm fucking soaking, dude. If you want to go finish it, you can, but I'm not. You coming over? No? You fucking wimp. Oh. What do you mean you're not going over? You got this. Better than me. Oh! Woo! My boots have fish in them. Oh, I'm gonna wake up. Now we went this way last year, but they got the road closed. Now there's great trails for these right here. Go all the way back there. Oh my God, my feet are swimming. It's a good thing I brought a boot dryer. My backpack, everything's fucking soaked, man. All right, we're going back. Sorry. Oh, let's go do Witt Rd, fucker. All right, you go first so I can film you. You go first so I can film you. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, boys and girls, that was not fun. Lost my footing and down she goes. Oh. I did. Big splashes, landing in my face. Oh my God. All right, we gotta go back. I'm freezing my ass off now. We can get gas tomorrow. Need a spare tire? Let me get on that other side now.
A little more tension. Give me about another foot. A little more rope in. Hold.
You have JB Weld on this thing already?
Oh, that's why it broke off. You need some more. We need to try to get the rear end over towards you.
Okay.
And remember, the bike will keep you from going down the hill. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Look at this thing. Okay, I'm losing footage here. It's good. Starting to drop. It's starting to drop.
The winches can keep us all together.
It is kind of funny. Everybody's pulled over here and dumped all their shit here. It's almost like that in Yellowstone, you know, that place where they take them out to the train station. Fuck. I'm sliding away here.
Hold on. Not yet. All right, go ahead.
Oh, fuck. You guys got it? I don't have much on it.
Hold for a sec. To the top side. Well, it's the front.
Hold on. I got nothing, guys. I got nothing. Hold on.
Hold.
Hold on.
Ahead. Hold it. We're jammed on something. All right, hold on.
Hold on.
Ease this off just a little bit.
The rear end's passed. I got nothing else over here either.
All right, tell them to hold. 2, 3, go. Right, go back. Back. All right, you can drag now. Just keep going. Hey, ho. 3. Up we go.
Oh, fuck.
Hang on.
I got nothing here.
Another lift, and he does the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Hold.
Go. Yes.